Look at Hunter go.
All right, we're here with Hannah and Hunter unboxing their special eggs. Hunter, what do you think is inside?
I'm a dinosaur.
What dinosaur do you hope you find?
This a box. That's a box. That's an animal. That's an.
What kind of dinosaur do you think will be inside?
A T-Rex, I think. Yeah,
You think it's a T-Rex?
Yeah, I think it's a T-Rex.
I think it's going to be a pterodon.
I think it's going to be Diplodocus. Can you get it, Hunter, all by yourself?
What if it's a Datasaurus?
A Datasaurus?
That is a dinosaur. What is a Hunterosaurus?
You need help, Hunter?
What is a Whippiosaurus?
You need Dad to help you pull that off a little bit?
Blipiosaurus would be cool.
What if
Hunter,
it's
what color do you think it's going to be?
Mommy, look at bunny ears.
Hey, Hunter, what color is it going to be?
Yellow.
Oh,
Yellow?
crack it, crack it.
Crack it.
Oh, it's cracking, it's cracking. Oh, no.
Oh, whoa!
Whoa.
What's that one? Oh, shake it.
Hannah?
I want to stand the check with it.
Hey, Hunter, can you open your bag?
Oh, look how many you get it wet.
Ooh,
What's
in
inside
this?
Hunter's?
Mom, you
Oh,
get
boy.
the clip? Mom, you get check the T-Rex?
You can feel it?
Interesting. All right, here's what we're going to do. So there's 7 options, Hunter, that you can get. There's a Triceratops, a Raptor, a T-Rex, a Tyrannosaurus, a Stegosaurus, and a Mosasaur. And there's a super rare golden T-Rex.
Oh, which one do you think you're going to get, Hunter?
Oh, okay.
Hunter, of these, which ones do you think you're going to get?
Oh, Hannah,
You
hold
think
on.
that
That T-Rex.
that T-Rex? Okay, let's see what you
Oh,
get.
Hannah.
Oh, Hunter, get the little animal. Hunter has
Oh.
the pilot, I
Here,
think.
put that right here,
Oh,
Hannah.
I figured the pilot. I figured the pilot.
Okay, Hunter, you want to
This
see
is
what
the
this
pilot
is?
T-Rex.
Okay,
It's a
we're
pilot
gonna-
T-Rex. And that's the pilot.
Here you go. What's in this one, Hunter?
Might be a pirate. Yeah.
What is it?
Ooh, what's that?
Ooh, sticker.
That's a sticker. Well, there's 2 stickers.
Should I get one too?
That looks like a Triceratops sticker. Whoop, Hunter,
Do
what's
I
this
get
lady?
it?
Nope. That one, I don't know what that
But
one
what
is.
one doesn't have a sticker?
Hannah,
well,
let's
just wait.
focus on Hunter's right now.
Yep, all right. So, there's those.
Get the dinosaur. I want how to have
What
a
else do
T-Rex.
we got? Let's open this one.
It's touch.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, open that one up, Hunter.
Slime.
Should we squeeze it out?
Yeah. Slime. Ooh, it has a dinosaur pieces.
What
Dad,
is
Hunter,
it?
get the try. Hunter has dinosaur
Ooh, it's
pieces.
green, Hunter.
Ew.
Oh, what dinosaur does that look like?
Triceratops. Oh.
Oh,
Let's build it. You have to
it's
build
really slimy. It's
Ah!
filled with dinosaur snot.
it.
Look at the dinosaur snot. Oh. Look at this dinosaur snot. Icky. Can you pull out the parts?
I can too. Ooh. Dinosaur
Yep, there's
snot.
the head.
Dinosaur snot. Ew, I don't like dinosaur snot, Mom.
Boy, that one has a lot of snot on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Hunter, what do you think of the dinosaur snot?
Ooh. Ew.
Do you want Dad to help you
this
get it
one
out?
was easy.
What tells you which one you
Dinosaur snot. Dinosaur snot.
got? Okay, here's the directions on how to build it.
Okay. Well, Dad's got dinosaur snot on his hands, like a big boogie.
Ew.
Ew.
Look at Dad's got a dinosaur boogie hanging off his hand.
Ow.
Ooh. Here we go.
Found?
What do you got there, Hunter? What was in your hand?
Ew. Oh, it's sticking to my hand. Oh. Ew, ewy.
Yep,
Ew.
hold
Dinosaur booger.
Yep, here, hang on. Let's get the rest of the parts out of the dinosaur snot.
Well, Hunter's building. Should Hannah open hers?
Yeah. Mama needs help.
What? Okay. pull the zipper.
I can't do it.
It says pull right here. Try it once.
I tried.
Try first and then I'll help you.
I can't get the dinosaur hand. It keeps on slinging back.
Okay, I cannot do it, Mom.
Okay, can Dad try it?
Dad,
hold on.
help me, help me. Ooh, short.
Here, should we put the dinosaur snot back? Quick. Let's put the dinosaur snot back in the bag.
Or in the egg?
Let's put it in here because it's a Ziploc.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
It's stuck to Dad's hand like a big giant boogie.
Yes, you boogies. I like call it Ferkly here.
Ooh, tell me more about it.
My egg is 7.5. My egg's 1.5.
Oh no!
Okay.
It's
Anna,
only-
you want Dad to help
When
you
you
open
pass
up
it
the first
we
part?
have to hurry, Mommy.
Okay, we'll get it started for Hannah.
I opened it by myself. Look it. I did it by myself.
You did it by yourself?
I need a foot on.
Okay, you get the other foot on. It's like a puzzle, Hunter.
Yeah.
Whoop. That's
Yo. Ah.
Hannah, you want Dad to pull off the cover for you?
Or do you
I
want-
want to lost cover.
Okay, ready?
That's my mommy. Okay, I can do it. I want to do it last. Yeah.
Oh, Liam, what are you eating?
marker?
Oh, should Dad help you get it started again?
I'm not very good.
Yep.
Daddy, it's the mother. Yes!
Come on, egg, hatch, hatch.
We have to quick. Oh my god.
Okay, crack her open. Oh,
Oh!
what did you get?
Two double she has little wings.
Oh my goodness.
She's so cute. She's pink and purple, and she has a blue and purple ears.
It's like your favorite colors in a bunny corn surprise.
And it's a bunny and a unicorn. The best things
Look
ever.
at- There's 6 of them to collect.
No way, Dad. I think
Which one did you get?
I got teeny dinosaur mom. I got teeny dinosaur. And she has a. I got that one.
That one's Bugsy.
I have Bugsy.
Oh, so cute.
Look at Bugsy came with something else.
I feel very. I don't even feel it.
What do you think is inside it? Make a prediction. Take a guess. Oh, you're not going to guess first?
No. I don't want to guess. I don't want to guess. Oh my gosh. No way. I have a different bunny.
Oh, look at, there's more.
Oh.
Look at, there's more.
Whoa.
You and Hunter both got stickers.
You
Whoa,
got-
Dad. Wait, this is the same bunny I have.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not this bunny.
Which
And
one-
this bunny is that. Oh,
That
was
one's
cute.
Bon. This one's Bon Bon. That one's Bugsy, and this one is
Kitty.
Flopsy.
Poppy. That was these ones both had their ears down.
Yeah.
That was, but my. Dad, I can still keep an egg.
Yep.
Can you show me it? Oh, what's its name?
Bunsy. Wait, what?
Yep. Bugsy.
Bussy.
Bugsy. Can you say bug?
Bugsy.
Bugsy.
Hunter, what kind of dinosaur did you get?
Should we put it together, Hunter?
Yay!
All right. So we gotta start with these 2 pieces.
Mom, Bussy likes his egg. Bussy.
And we put that together like that. Oh, there's still dinosaur snot.
Mom,
on
look,
this
I
one.
can keep it eggy.
Cute egg.
Boy, this dinosaur snot sticks to everything.
Mom, can I decorate the egg with the sticker?
Yes.
Whoa.
See me, whoa, Liam.
Yeah. Bussy's going
And then
eggy. So she
we
can have
need-
forever.
That's scary.
Mom, Bussy likes his egg. Mom, Bussy likes his eggy.
now we need his legs. Whoop.
Wait.
Here, let's put this jaw on.
Mommy.
There's his jaw. He's got a face now. Chomp.
Daddy, help me hold the egg up.
And then,
Bussy wants his egg closer.
yep.
Bugsy
So, and then
wants
we need
the egg
his
close
rear
up.
end.
Yeah, Bugsy wants his egg close up there. Mommy, can you help me close up an egg
Okay, let me see the other leg. Other
so I
rear
can
end.
decorate it? Here, I can decorate it. See stickers? They're so cute.
That's a cute egg.
Bugsy, Bun Bun.
There we
That is
go.
this Bun Bun.
That one is
Taffy,
Flopsy.
Fluffy.
Flopsy.
And that which one is this one? Ears up or I don't
And
know.
now we need
That which one is this
his
one?
other last leg.
Flopsy.
Yep. And
Is that Fluffy?
Last but not
That is
least,
this one.
his head.
Ooh, look at
There
his
you go.
dinosaur.
That which one
And-
is this? That which one is
Is
this?
that what he eats?
The mouse. That one, Hannah, is this one. It's called Bon Bon.
Bun Bun. Bun Bun. I got Bun Bun.
Yeah. What kind of dinosaur did you get, Hunter?
Dinosaur socks.
Hannah, which one did you get?
It's not the dinosaur.
What did you get?
Bunny.
What was the bunny's name?
Uh-oh, I ripped it.
What was the bunny's
Bun
name?
Bug. Bun
Bugsy.
Bun.
Bugsy.
Busty.
Do you guys love it?
Mommy.
Say so much fun.
But fun.
Hannah, what are you going to say?
Thank you.